iSight Systems, your home technology professionals here in the Highlands. We're starting a new job today, and what's better on a new job than some new tools? So thank you very much to Cable Tongue for sending us along this Cable Tongue Pro. Difference between the Cable Tongue Pro and the previous Cable Tongue version is this lovely attachment here on the end. This allows you to combine your Cable Tongue with your super rod products. So when we take off this little attachment here, that gives us a threaded entry point for attaching things like our rods to pass them through joist work, or it also allows us to put on this nifty little attachment, which means we don't need things like this on the end of our cables, bits of tape, and running through meters and meters of electrical tape to try and tape our cables on. Most of our time is spent untaping cables, and it's an absolute nightmare on jobs. So they've come out with this fantastic tool, which effectively slips over the tip of the cable, push it right down through there. Once it pulls tight, you've got an absolutely strong pull on that cable, as hard as you want. What you can do with a cable that's slightly thin like this one, which is just a 2-core speaker cable, is you can fold over the end to give you a little bit extra purchase, pass it through the attachment there. Once you slide that right down, let's see how much strength David takes to get this pulled off, if we can. Slide that right down, give it a pull. There's absolutely nothing on that cable. What I'm actually doing if I pull it too hard is ripping the cable apart. So, not that I'm weak, this is just a very, very strong tool. We're looking forward to using that on a job today. We've got some speaker cabling to pull through, we've got some Cat6 cabling for access points. We've also got some Cat6 cabling to put in for some cameras as well. So once you do have this attachment on, just to finalise this little video here, once you've got that on there, the ability to then tape onto your, or connect onto your Cable Tongue is fantastic. Get your cable to come up the wall, and you can pull that as far as you want to. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for any videos to come. We're going to be starting a new YouTube channel soon where we're reviewing many products, so give us a nod if there's anything you'd like us to look at, and keep an eye out for us on the web. Cheers guys!